This one is a 1931 Remington. I believe it's a Model 4, but it doesn't have any decals, so I can't tell for sure. Nice and glossy. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To set the margins, right back here, you just press these in. And I just line it up with the end of the paper there. In the beginning of the paper, it's right there at the beginning of the margin. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. And to get back to the beginning, you press this little lever here and then press it down to skip a space. It also has the ability for a double space. As you can see, all the keys type perfectly and none of them stick. I'm going to type a sentence real quick. So this keyboard has a bunch of keys that are faded, so it's hard to tell which key you're hitting until you memorize them. As you can see, I misspelled a letter. I misspelled Fox, but the print's really nice, and it's got a nice glossy finish, so I think somebody will like it. I'm going to show you how to use the rest of the functions. Backspace works good. It's got a tab function. It'll skip the tabs because the carriage is pulling too hard. If you kind of guide it, it'll stop at the tabs, and you set them back here with these. If you tinker with it, you could fix that. Probably just the carriage is pulling too hard. I could probably fix that, but it's not a big deal for me right now. It's got a ribbon selector switch to select red or black. Right now it's got an all black ribbon, so we're keeping that on black. You can change the ribbon direction with this. Press that in to pull to that side. Press it in to pull to this side. All the ribbon and brand new ribbon is on this side, so we want it to pull to that side, and that's what it's doing. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.